welcome back to Malu's Vlogs. Today's video, guys, I'm gonna make mango ice cream and banana ice cream. The reason why I'm making two different kinds of ice cream because my youngest son, he loves mango, and my eldest son loves banana. So I'm gonna make two kinds of ice cream today. So okay, guys, I'm gonna start preparing all the ingredients, and I'll show you guys on how to make it, my own version of ice cream, guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. These are my ingredients for my mango ice cream: condensed milk and all-purpose cream and mango. I'm gonna prepare all the ingredients and then I'll show you guys on how to make it. Let's go and start making it now, okay? So I'm preparing my ingredients now. For the 3 pieces, I'm cutting it like this. See, I'm gonna put it on top of the ice cream. This is the all-purpose cream. Mixing it together with the condensed milk, and we have to mix it properly. See, I'm using this because I don't have the proper things for making ice cream. I am going to blend it now. So after blender, we will mix all together, the all-purpose cream and the condensed milk and mango all together. We mix, so we're gonna mix it. Wow. Okay. Oh. I'm poor because I'm using this. I'm sure you guys are gonna laugh at me for using this. Done mixing it, so we will pour it down into a plastic ice cream bowl. The mango that I cut here. So that's my mango ice cream. Next is the banana ice cream. I'm gonna start preparing for my banana ice cream. Ingredients: cream, all-purpose cream, and then the condensed milk, and then the 3 pieces banana. And then the 3 pieces here, I'm gonna cut it to put on top of the ice cream. Okay, so that's how it looks, guys. I'm cutting it all small pieces. Okay, so this is the 3 pieces that I cut in small pieces, so to put it on top. And then this is what I'm gonna blend. Alright, see, we're putting now the condensed milk into the all-purpose cream. Creamy, creamy. Mixing properly. Okay. So okay. Banana. So guys, this is Malu's banana ice cream. Full of banana. Full of banana on top. Okay. Alright. That's it. We need to put it on the freezer now. So tomorrow will be a lovely banana ice cream.
Tomorrow for sure.
So we will check now if already hard. Wow! Look at the banana ice cream. Okay. Wow! Look at that. Okay. Okay, look. Look. Mango ice cream. Enough na, 3 scoop. One more. Okay. The mango ice cream. Wow. So how is it?
Sounds good.
So what do you think I have to add in there?
Just a little bit more love, you know. That's good.
Okay.
Good one, that's a good one. Or that kind of says that mom didn't give enough love. Oh, mom, you didn't give enough love.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright guys, try your banana ice cream.
Rentals always has.
Good?
Oh, good, mom.
Okay. So, look, he put Turon in his banana ice cream.
Why they weren't on any prophecies or any of the murals in the game, except the one that Faye herself made at the very end. Kratos is
Good.
always changing.
That's it guys. I'm done tasting the mango ice cream and the banana ice cream. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave the comment below. And please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!